So I was trying to set up my Facebook Live here. I got caught, so I'm going to come here where I belong.
We are here with the dessert diva Danette Randall on this Friday morning, as every Friday morning, and today we're making sweet egg rolls. These two.
Well, you know, we'd like to have fun.
Do we
Don't we? I mean, don't we? Yes. And Evan asked me if this apple was real.
It was
not.
I'm
sorry, I don't mean to call you out, but this is funny. Really?
I was trying to be funny.
Oh,
and clearly it didn't work.
I get it. No, you were funny. We laughed. I laughed.
Yeah, you were laughing at me though.
All right, no. Okay, so we're making pear and apple egg rolls.
Okay.
I mean, does that sound fun, guys?
It
Dessert
sounds
egg
fun
rolls.
and delicious.
Fun and delicious, and very simple. Because we like simple here. And today there's going to be some host participation.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
We're going to make it up, and then I'm going to show you how to roll the
Ooh,
egg.
this is going to be
all right.
fun.
Yeah.
I've always
and
wanted
like
to
I
learn
said,
that.
this is really simple. Is this thing on? Oh, yes, it is. Okay. It's very simple, and really it's pretty low fat and low sugar. So
Okay.
just in case you cared.
Right.
Just in case you cared.
I don't,
All right,
but okay.
so I know. All right, so I'm doing pear and apple. If you only wanted to do apple, you could. If you only wanted to do pear, but I like the combo.
Yeah.
This is 2 cups, which pretty much equals 1 pear and 1 apple diced.
Okay.
So 1 apple is typically a cup, like a regular apple.
Okay.
Okay, so you're just putting that in here. Now we're gonna do, does it smell like fall in here?
It does.
It does. What
smells like
is all
fall.
that?
It's just the apple, the cinnamon, and the cloves. So we're gonna do a teaspoon cinnamon. We're gonna do a teaspoon. You probably might want to do a ½ teaspoon cloves. I like it spicy.
Okay.
So I put a little bit more cloves in. It kind of
Okay.
pops up the heat. All right, and then we're gonna do lemon juice. And you can see there's no butter or anything in here. A lot of times you put the butter with the apple pie or whatnot. And then we're gonna do, instead of sugar, I'm doing honey. So we're just gonna put,
Keep
oh
it
wow,
in au naturel.
that's really,
So not a lot of honey though.
it's like
No.
a teaspoon, but it's stuck on. I think this is like watching paint dry, watching honey.
That's okay.
Go into the.
It looks delicious.
Come
Yeah, it
on,
does.
honey, come on. All right, so just like that, you're gonna get the honey in there, and it is about a teaspoon. If you wanted a little bit sweeter, you could do more.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna stir that up. Now, what's gonna happen is this is gonna cook down. It's gonna release a little bit of juices. Because we're baking it, we're not frying these egg rolls. You don't need to cook these down until they're soft because they are going to bake a little bit in the oven.
Oh, gotcha.
All right, so just, stir them up nicely, and that's that.
All right.
Get them
Now,
all
when they're
covered there.
done,
All right.
when they're done, I'll keep them on here. When they're done, they're going to look like this. See that there? All right, so I have a couple spoons for each of you.
That's
Okay,
fine.
one
That's the
spoon
cue for your
for-
food.
Now we're just gonna get these.
1 minute left?
There's a lot going on here.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
egg roll wrappers. You can find these. Usually they have them in the produce section.
Okay.
Just like by the salad, and they're very easy to work.
Okay.
So you're just gonna take it. See how it's
Take a
kind of tied
spoon.
diagonal. Mm-hmm. So take your spoon and put a
right.
little bit right here.
Right here.
Here, grab your spoon, Evan.
Okay.
Got it. All right.
So you're gonna put it kind of like in the bottom.
Okay.
Third.
All right. How
Like
much?
that. Just 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
We got 1
Now
minute
you're gonna.
left.
Okay, so you're
Start
gonna
rolling.
fold this up.
Yep.
Wow, Gail's going.
Okay, I'm
that's
gonna
a
put some
lot.
back. All right.
Okay, because it'll be harder to roll.
She likes a
and
big
it'll-
egg roll.
Yeah, I
She
do.
likes her egg roll. Okay, so take the bottom. Wait, no, take the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fold it up like that.
Okay.
And it's kind of like an envelope. Kelly, you're not following instructions. So take this.
Par for the
Take
course.
this
Did you know that
side.
about her?
Take this side. Take
See.
the other side and roll it up.
I'm gonna beat
And then
her.
you're just gonna gently
I win.
Got
it.
roll
Done.
like that. Now, and you want to take a little bit of water and put right on the edge and kind of seal it onto the egg roll. So you can see it's like this. Rub it with a little bit of olive oil. You're going to bake this about 20 minutes, and that's it. Take it out. Do not eat this hot. You will lose a friend or your
Really?
tongue.
Okay.
It's too hot.
They're
But
amazing.
cinnamon whipped cream, and you're good to go. Done.
Dessert diva Danette Randall with the sweet
They're good.
egg rolls. These are fantastic.
And
Ian, I'll
easy.
bring you one. Let's see what's going on outside.
The one that he made.
Thanks. I am intrigued, so I'm looking forward to that. Hey, look.